Today we're at the southeast end of the part of Amed Beach that we're staying at. It's quite rocky, as you will see. So enjoy looking. There's beautiful places up there. Amed is just so wonderful. I can't wait to go back. But yeah, there's different places that they've got sand and hasn't. And afterwards we went to Green Lemon restaurant and bar for dinner, which was fantastic. They're a great couple that own it and their children, and I'd recommend going there to anyone. Thank you, and if you like, please subscribe. You're looking at Sunset Point Beach Club up there. You can't see it, but I can see there's a pool. And you can probably see a lovely sunset from up there. So that's what end of Amed Beach I'm at. I'm happy for where we're staying. It might have some rocks, but not as many rocks as there is here. It was actually hard work getting up here. So, I don't mind some, but yeah, it's like this all the way along. So we've extended another night, so tomorrow night will be our last night here. I'm just so relaxed. It's just a lovely place to hang out, do my little walks, explore, swim in the ocean, which I haven't done for a long time. Working my way up to snorkeling, I think. I don't know how my back, my arms, it's the swimming part that gets sort of all the things that have happened to me. But we'll get there. We're just going in the water. Has been really good. It's warm, it's beautiful. Yes, you got to wear shoes, but we bought the shoes because of the other islands with coral on their beaches, so lucky we did. We love watching the other people jumping and trying to get in without hurting their feet. It's funny. And also the hot sand, they're jumping on that as well. Anyway, I just thought I'd check in and give you an update. Some of these places up here, beautiful. Very beautiful. Walking towards sunset. Oh, thank God we're on sand. Oh. There's a hard slug on that rocks. I'm feeling it. I think I'm feeling it more than climbing 8-story temples. I'm happy I'm back on the sand. Oh. Where we had dinner last night. In there, I think. No, not quite. It's just here. Yeah, I didn't expect the bill be over $90. We'd only spent 12 on food. I don't know where the others went. I did think they slipped a couple of extra drinks in, but anyway, we came for the music and it was a Sunday night and they didn't have any. So there's music at the end tonight. I think we're going to the I love Amed sign. There's a Warung there. I thought we'd try that end out. Everything I've eaten here has been beautiful. And the fish. They can cook fish, which in some places don't seem to be able to. Ah, here we are. Yes. So we broke our own rule that you don't eat in a warung when there's no one else eating. But I had grilled fish, came with coleslaw and chips. It was absolutely beautiful. There was nothing left on the plate, I can tell you. And that was in there. Doesn't look much. I hosed the floor out in the morning because it can get rid of all the dust, all the sand. But I had a beautiful meal. Then a retired civil engineer that kept coming back to our table to talk about my daughter. But anyway, it was a good evening. Heading back now. It's 10 to 5. As you can tell, the sun's slowly going down. Hits the edges about 6 o'clock. Rises at 6:30. And it's just wonderful. Okay. And as I keep saying, please subscribe. The more the merrier. Yesterday someone said to me that they were building their own reefs. Even though there's one out there. Maybe that's what that is. Otherwise, I do not have a clue. That's their securing buoys. Yeah. It's a lovely evening. Running back to home. We call it here. Oh, my legs. Oh, that was the biggest workout I've had. That's worse. That was as bad as those temples.